Tonight we have a very special opportunity. We are here filming at the Lonz Mansion for the first time ever. This place has never been investigated, it's definitely never been filmed. And just a couple of years ago, the state of Ohio put a $5 million grant into this place to rebuild it, to bring it back to its former glory. So tonight we're very, very pleased to say that we are the first team ever to step foot and investigate the iconic Lonz Mansion on Middle Bass Island.